From manufacturing and healthcare to personal assistance and education, these intelligent machines are transforming our lives in ways we never imagined. So, let's dive in and discover the fascinating capabilities of AI robots. Artificial intelligence robots, or AI robots, are the culmination of advancements in AI and robotics technologies. These intelligent machines have the ability to perceive and understand their environment, make decisions, and perform tasks with remarkable precision. With breakthroughs in machine learning and computer vision, AI robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, adaptable, and capable of human-like interactions. In manufacturing and industry, AI robots are revolutionizing production processes. These robots can perform repetitive and hazardous tasks, improving productivity and reducing costs. Equipped with sensors and AI algorithms, they can adapt to changing production environments, collaborate with human workers, and ensure consistent quality control. The result is greater efficiency, enhanced safety, and increased profitability. AI robots are making significant strides in healthcare, providing valuable support to doctors, nurses, and patients. These robots can monitor vital signs, assist in surgeries, and deliver medication, among other tasks. They enhance accuracy in diagnoses and treatments, ensure round-the-clock care, and offer companionship to patients. AI robots are bridging the gap between technology and healthcare, leading to improved patient outcomes and enhanced medical practices. Imagine having a personal assistant that can help with household chores and provide companionship. AI robots are making this a reality. These intelligent machines can clean, cook, organize, and even engage in conversations. With advancements in natural language processing, AI robots understand and respond to human commands, making them valuable additions to our homes. They bring convenience, efficiency, and support to individuals with busy lifestyles or limited mobility. In the field of education, AI robots are transforming the learning experience. They act as tutors, offering personalized and adaptive lessons tailored to individual students' needs. These robots can assess student abilities, provide interactive and engaging content, and track progress over time. By creating dynamic and interactive learning environments, AI robots are revolutionizing education, making it more accessible, engaging, and effective for learners of all ages. The future of transportation is being shaped by AI robots. Self-driving cars and drones equipped with AI technologies are becoming a reality. These vehicles use advanced sensors, computer vision, and machine learning algorithms to navigate roads, detect obstacles, and make real-time decisions. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to improve road safety, optimize traffic management, and reduce environmental impact, ushering in a new era of smart and efficient transportation. As we've seen, AI robots are redefining our world in remarkable ways. From manufacturing to healthcare, education to personal assistance, these intelligent machines are transforming industries and enhancing our daily lives. However, it's crucial to address ethical considerations and ensure responsible development. By fostering transparency, privacy, and security measures, we can build trust between humans and robots, enabling a harmonious coexistence in this AI-driven future.